Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tasleem and today in this video I'm gonna tell you a secret tip to learn English, and that secret tip is to believe that you can learn English. If you want to be happy in your life and if you want to be successful in your life, then first of all you need to believe in yourself. It does not matter what other people think about you. All that matters is what you think about yourself and what I think about myself. Okay, so when you are speaking wrong English, people will definitely say that you are speaking wrong English and you can never learn English. They will definitely make fun of you. Okay, but you have to believe in yourself and please do not let yourself affected by other people's opinion. Okay, they cannot stop you to learn English. They cannot stop you to achieve what you want in your life. If I think that I am a failure, I cannot learn English, why I am not able to learn English, then definitely I will be a failure and I will not be able to learn English. Okay, so our situation and our circumstances depend on our belief system, right? And if I think that yes, I am successful, I am committed to learn English and I can do it, I will definitely learn English. I will give my consistent efforts to learn English, then definitely one day I will be successful in learning English. So everything depends on our belief system. If you think that you can do it, then definitely you can do it. And if you think that no, I can't do it, then definitely you can't do it. Okay, when we learn something, then we definitely fail. Okay, so learn to face your failures with a smile, because every failure teaches us a new thing to do better in our life. When people around you are making fun of you, they are making fun of your wrong English, then don't worry, join them. Okay, join them and make fun of yourself with them and tell them very clearly that yes, I am in my learning stage and I will improve with time and I'm trying a lot to improve my English. They will definitely understand your concern and then they will not make fun of you. Okay, if you will get irritated that why are you saying this, then they will make you irritated more. So when anybody is making fun of you, laugh with them. When they are speaking that you pronounced it wrong, then laugh that yeah, I pronounced it wrong. This is the best way to avoid these people. Then they will not make fun of you. Then they will also help you to learn English. And the best way to believe in yourself is to think best thing about yourself. Okay, speak best thing about yourself. Ask your heart that what I have done good in the past months. Ask your friends that what is something that you like in me, right? So today what you have to do, you have to take your pen and notebook and you have to write 10 amazing things about yourself. You can also write down them in the comment section so that I can also know about them, right? So you have to write amazing things about yourself and you have to write what have you achieved till now. If people are behaving bad with you, if they are making fun of your wrong English, don't worry, don't let yourself affected by these people. And if you have any doubt regarding English and aviation topics, career topics, please let me know below in the comment section. And please keep learning, stay safe and stay connected to your goal, and say to yourself again and again that yeah, I can do it and I will never give up. Thank you so much for watching this video.